Today, we are going to be preparing a single poke dish using a 1-pound portion of Big Eye tuna that is wild caught off the San Diego coast. When you're not using your Big Eye, store it in the coldest part of the freezer. To thaw your Big Eye, place your sealed portion in a bowl of room temperature water. It should take approximately 30 to 45 minutes to completely thaw. Make sure to dry your fillet with a clean paper towel completely before use. Start by slicing your Big Eye tuna into approximately 3/8 of an inch thick blocks. Now, cut your blocks into medium-sized cubes. We like to cut our blocks in half and try to make our cubes uniform in size. Today, we are using NOH Poke mix, which includes freeze-dried ogo, Hawaiian sea salt, and chili flakes. Give your poke a mix so that the salt and chili mix can integrate with your tuna. Now, add a drizzle of toasted sesame oil and white soy sauce. We like to use white soy sauce so that it doesn't stain your tuna. Add finely sliced green onions and your rehydrated ogo to taste. Give your poke one light mix and then add some grated ginger for an extra touch of brightness. Don't forget to add your toasted sesame seeds for extra umami, and enjoy!